Let's make this Desi Yakhni chicken soup. Desi Yakhni chicken soup for this cold. I'm giving you the perfect recipe. What does mean Desi Yakhni? Desi Yakhni means Desi means countryman's broth soup. Recipe belongs to Pakistan, South Asian recipe. It's a very healthy recipe. When I was a kid, I used to have this recipe whenever I was cold. So let me give you the ingredients. I have organic Desi chicken. Desi means countryman's chicken. This is not farmed raised chicken. Take whole chicken. We'll chop it into small pieces. This is the first thing. Let me grab this, and we will take a pressure cooker. We will add all this chicken right here. Look at these ingredients now. I have 30 grams of fresh garlic, 30 grams of fresh ginger, at least one large size tomato. I chopped it. This is actually cherry tomatoes. I just measured it from, I just hold those cherry tomatoes in my hand. So this is what it is. And this is medium size yellow onion. They go all in here. Here goes the ginger. Here goes the garlic, yellow onion. They are sliced, you know. I did the hard work before starting the video, you know. So it's easy work. The stove is on the high flame. 8 cups of water. Okay, first thing first, we will add this right here. Right now I'm using a wooden spoon. We'll just give it a stir. This will be the perfect soup for your cold or this cold. This is immune booster soup. Okay, we're done with the vegetables, we're done with the water. We put the whole chicken in here. Now we will work towards the dry spices. Spice blender, use it, you know. You can just grab a spoon, put half of all of it in here, but it's gonna be chunky, you know, it's gonna be a messy job. Why not to do the perfect work? So for the perfect work, you will need cumin, half tablespoon in your dry spice blender. Coriander seeds, half tablespoon. Black pepper are already done, so we're not touching it right now. This is fennel seed. We'll take half tablespoon. Goes in here. Let's count this as 1 cinnamon tablespoon. I'm using the whole 1 stick. I'm just breaking it so it gets easy for my spice blender. We will definitely add some fresh veggies to it too, you know, so you're gonna love this thing. Okay, look at this, bay leaves. You can blend these, but I like the bay leaves, you know, like for the soup it should stay in there, so I'm taking 3 of the bay leaves straight in the pressure cooker. This is black cardamom, black one. We will take just 1, add it right here. This is star spice. I'll take 1 right there. These are the cloves. We need half tablespoon of the cloves. Powder. If you have powder, use it. I have the whole big ones. You're gonna make powder out of it. So, dry spice are ready to be blended. We'll put it right now on the side. As I said, remember the black pepper. So for this, half of the tablespoon of the black pepper goes in here. Okay, this is turmeric. We will take whole tablespoon of turmeric in this. This is half. This is another half. All right, let's add the salt. I'm taking half tablespoon right now. Later we can add more. Or if some people don't like salt at all, so you can just put on the safe side, put 1/4 tablespoon in there. So for now, let's blend our dry spices. here it is, all the powder. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box, so it's gonna be easy for you. I wish you can smell it. Wow, it smells so good. Just add all of this right here. So we have perfectly seasoned our Desi Yakhni. Look at this. Once you give it a rough mix, put the lid on top. It's on the high flame, and we will cook this at least for 30 minutes. So I will see you after 30 minutes. There's just a little more, 2 more steps to follow for this delicious yakhni soup. Open this. It's been 30 minutes. Let's open this and take a look. Okay, let me grab a napkin. Alright, here you go. Wow, it's smelled so good. It's looking perfectly okay so far right now. Look at this piece. Country organic chicken. We'll put this on the side right here. We'll grab a strainer and we will take all the broth. Let's put this back in. Put it on the side. You can use another pot, but I want to use a different, this is my favorite pot, the Dutch oven, right? If you have another pot, use it which has the lid. So we will grab this chicken, the remaining, the broth is here, the remaining we will add it right here. On the high flame, we will stir fry this for 5 minutes. Put it on high flame. We will take olive oil, 2 tablespoons in here. Once you stir fry for 5 minutes, take the vegetables, whatever you want to add. Take 2 carrots, peel it and just slice them, add the carrots. 2 red potatoes, peel them and make any size. Just make this kind of size. Add right here. Half more tablespoon of the salt. Half more spoon of the black pepper. Looking good. Remember our broth, the yakhni. We will add this all in here. Everything goes here. Okay. Looking delicious. At this point, I'll taste test the broth. It might need more salt or something, so we can add it right now. It's perfect. Wow. This is actually good. Cover our Dutch oven and it's on the high flame. Cook it for last 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'll take cilantro, handful of cilantro. Altogether, it's been 40 minutes. We have made the delicious Desi Yakhni chicken soup for the cold. And this is the final moments. It's hot. Let's open up the lid. Okay, look at this. Wow, look at this. Just make sure your potatoes are soft. If you don't have a pressure cooker, just boil the chicken initially. Once I showed you, once we added all the dry ingredients, the tomatoes, the onions, just make sure your chicken is tender when you are at this stage. And once you're at the final stages, just make sure your potatoes and carrots are soft. Once it's soft, You guys can see. Let me check it with the knife. Here you go. Yeah, no pressure. It's done. Yep. We will take cilantro, just add it right on top, give it a final mix, and look at this, guys. Delicious, homemade, perfect Desi chicken yakhni soup is ready. The final product is ready. You're gonna be eating this with the bread, but this recipe goes with the tandoori roti. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Truth, let me just taste test the yakhni soup. Here you go. Mind blowing. Perfectly done. This is the country chicken. Wow. Woo. And add right here on top. Both ways you can enjoy this. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye for now. It's so good. I can't wait. I just want to dive in.